Well, hello everybody out there in YouTube land, Facebook land, Never land, and the land of the road band. This chief. What big battery is that? Yeah, it's a legend. Fuck. My band shut down twice. Coming home from Hilo. She's almost 100 miles away. Check this shit out. What do I have in its place? And this battery been around longer. That was the original number 2 battery in Bessie. So here. I need you guys to witness this right across the nation. What does it say there? Doesn't it say like super start? This battery came with this van. This used to be number 2. This is what I got back here. Back under there, number 2 battery. Same battery. What the fuck? This one got me home, full amperage, up the hill. That, and I was climbing out of Hilo. I was watching my voltmeter dive. Then when I got to Kilohana, which is part of the old Saddle Road, I got up part ways up that thing, and it died. I had to pull on the side. He gave me a jump start. It went pretty well. By the time I got down to the bottom of Saddle Road Junction, the battery was almost 8 volts. Not this battery. But that's what it showed. There's something else. There's something wrong. Whoever wired this thing in the past, some of this stuff is real redundant crap that was added on. You know, I know about automotive electrical, and I'm gonna get rid of those problems because I cannot, and I repeat, I cannot be going through this shit again. You know, charge, no charge. Charge, no charge. What the... You know what I mean? So it's WTF, okay? WTF. WTF. And then the other WTF is underneath, and I have to drop that battery on the ground to get it. And I don't want to do that. I mean, look, Chief is dressed to go to the fucking beach. Look at that beautiful fucking shorts. You know what I mean? My tan, where are you going to find a tan like that? Only from a Hawaiian, you know what I mean? Then my daughter, my freaky daughter. Yeah, I love her to death. One of the ways I prove my love to her is by threatening her. Yeah, I broke your fucking head. Fuck yeah, yeah, I'm like that. You know, I threaten her. Her up before I broke your fucking ass. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, let's get back to the what the fuck. Yeah, this is a mean fucking peeve for me. Let's go this way. Okay, what does it say right there? Napa Legend. What does it say right there? Super start. Yeah. Oh yeah. With that, hey, old Chief out. I love you guys. Aloha, wide.